Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to see your deleted ads on your Facebook ad. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do, if you are using Android phone, make sure you go to your Play Store and download Meta apps on your phone. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and download Meta apps on your phone. After a successful download and install the apps on your phone, you have the app icon like this. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the icon to run the app setup, and then it's going to simply load up just like so. Then if you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked to enter your username and your password for Facebook. Then you will be logging successful into your Facebook ad account, just like what you see right here. Now, for you to see your previously deleted ads on Facebook, what you need to do is to simply click on status right here. Then you see these options right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on deleted right here. Then in a few seconds, it's going to generate and show you all the ads that you have been either mistakenly deleted or not. So you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more the ads that you have been deleted so far is going to simply load up. So you can scroll down, and the more you scroll down, the more you see all the numbers of ads that you have deleted so far. So you may decide to restore back the ads, or you may decide to make a duplicate of the ad, or you may decide to turn on the ad to run on your Facebook ad account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply see all your deleted ads in your Facebook ad account from just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.